Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Brewer. I wanted to share the article The Pendulum with you. This is an assignment for ELA starting on Monday, May 4th. And I wanted to read this article to you so that you can listen to it before you reread it on your own, because we know that as good, strong readers, one of our strategies is always to reread. So this here is a fiction article. The title is here. It's called The Pendulum. Here is a picture. We are going to start right here with paragraph 1. Most nights, my cat stares at the grandfather clock in the living room. She is a gray tabby with splotches of black and white. Her eyes are golden and edged in greenish blue, like a miniature painting of the sun over a forest, or a mood ring, because you never know when the colors will change. I'm going to scroll down for you. We're going to start right here again with paragraph 2. When she is calm, you see more of the gold flickering. When she is scared, her pupils are large and black, and you notice more of the green, which is the way she looks before the clock at night. Her back arched, her fur raised like small tufts of grass. She stares at the oval shape of the clock as if it is the moon revolving around the earth and the earth around the sun. When the clock sounds on the hour, her ears twitch, but she doesn't move. She simply resets her eyes, refastening them to the pendulum's sway. Unlike my cat, I think this time might have been better spent outside in the fresh air, like my mother always wants me to do. But for my cat, no second is wasted. She merely sees and does. When she is hungry, she eats. When she is tired, she sleeps. And when she is frisky, she scratches the furniture, no matter how much we scold her. When she is happy, she purrs, or she brushes her side against my leg, nudging her head and nose into my wrist when I reach down to pet her, as if she is pleading. But for what, I am never sure. More food? A toy? My lap? I never know exactly what she wants, except that when I am with her, I am warm and calm, certain there is still enough time for everything. I wanted to quickly just show you one more feature. You probably noticed in this article there are some words that are underlined in green, and when you hover over them, they highlight in green. So when you click on them, it shows you the definition of the word. When you click this blue got it button here, you are taken back to the article. But one more feature that it has is once you hover over the green underline and it highlights for you in green and you click it, you can also listen to the definition.
Flickering. If something is flickering, it flashes on and off.
Once you click got it again, it will take you back to the article. So feel free to use that feature for any of the words that are underlined in green. Thanks for joining.